Fairy terns are permanent resident. They take a fairly relaxed view about what constitutes a nest. A bare branch is quite enough. Climbing onto it to incubate has to be done with care. Once a year, the noddies arrive. Nesting on this island looks idyllic. But behind the beauty, there's a sinister side. The Seychelles fody makes quick work of an unattended egg. She knows something's not quite right, but her drive to incubate is strong. The fairy tern laid another egg, and now she has a tiny chick to feed. This chick is lucky. By the time it fledges, the Pisonia seeds will have dispersed, and the danger they brought will be gone.